Want to know how to use RingCentral Desktop App? In this video, I will guide you on how you can use RingCentral Desktop App. The first thing you want to do is download and install the RingCentral Desktop App. For that, head over to any web browser, then head over to ringcentral.com/download. Now choose the desktop app for Windows or Mac OS. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Once you have installed the app, you want to launch it, enter your RingCentral work email and password, complete any multi-factor authentication if prompted. Now, if you want to make a call, click on the phone icon in the left sidebar, use the dial pad or type a name number in search bar, click the green call button or press enter. Now from here you can answer and manage incoming calls. Incoming calls pop up as notification. You can click or ignore. You can also send and receive messages. Click on the messages icon to see chats and SMS. Select a conversation or start a new one by typing a name or number. You can also start or join video meetings. For that, click on the video icon. If you want to access contact, click on the contacts icon. Browse or search your company directory and personal contacts. From here, you can also manage your voicemail and call logs. You can also adjust audio and video devices from the app. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.